Hey guys, my name is Ibrahim Ali here on Upwork, and I am here to help you. If you are interested in doing one-on-one Zoom session with me where I can walk you through from A to Z to develop any Meta campaign or have any question that you guys have. For me, I know that Meta is super frustrating sometime and it's hard to understand what's going on. But to have the best campaign for your business, it's little bit complicated, but I am here to help. As you can see here, we are in it of my client's ad manager, and there's just so much you can that you can do here. So, like we can analyze our purchases by looking at the meta ads down the avenue. We can measure the return